What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's video is the recent trends that are starting to kind of take place within some of these major cryptocurrencies. For the most part, we're seeing consolidation around most of these alts where, XRP is kind of teeter-tottering and stuck at about $1.30, $1.28. We have Ethereum, we have Bitcoin, even Solana is actually starting to see some sort of potential correction, and Bitcoin is also hitting some sort of trend line, causing prices to kind of come to a complete halt. Now, more importantly, as you guys can see here on the screen, I do have the crypto coin display pulled up for this week, and this week only we're going to be doing a test to actually see whether or not we're going to be doing these weekly giveaways once again. But for right now, if you guys want to win one of these, we're going to be doing the drawing on Sunday. Definitely make sure to comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below, and comment that you've subscribed. Do those two things and you will be entered to win one of these for free, and we'll be doing the drawing on Sunday. Now, I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you will not win one of these, so definitely make sure to subscribe and comment your favorite altcoin down in the comment section below in order to win one of these bad boys that are priced at $124 and that I have on display right here. Otherwise, guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let's jump into today's episode. All right, guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies, seem to be consolidating. Majority of these cryptos are actually up, which is, to my surprise, I want to show you guys actually why. We're up about 5%. Bitcoin really not seeing any moves. Binance all the way down to really about Doge is the only thing that's really moving. Dogecoin is moving, Polkadot, Uniswap, and then obviously Solana's exploding, Chainlink, and some of the other alts are starting to catch up. So definitely seems to be more of this alt market. As you can see, 27%, 57% over the day, or the 24-hour. You can see right here, it goes Solana, Terra, Voyager, Phantom, Harmony, Doge, Shiba. They're all, exploding to the upside right now. But I just want to show you guys something very interesting. What I'm starting to notice, obviously the leaders of crypto are probably maybe the top three here that hold the majority of the market cap in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin obviously being the number one, and then Ethereum coming in with a close second. So with these maybe three, if we include Binance Coin, which is whatever, these three cryptos all in all are doing pretty much just a consolidation flatline type of line. A majority of the crypto market is going to be following that. So I don't want to spend too much time focusing on other altcoins. I do want to spend time focusing on those, including XRP, to kind of guide us in the direction we want to move to. Now, yesterday I put out a video basically talking about, is this finally it? Basically, showing you the formations, how we have 1, 2, and now 3 points of contact, referring to the fact that we are retesting the top trend line in what could be either a big descending triangle or a big symmetrical triangle at that. And we're looking for what exactly could happen after that. Now, if you can look here on XRP, we do have a very similar top here. It's kind of difficult to draw it out right now, whether or not we actually close, or we did actually close above here, which is above our trend line on the weekly. You can clearly see there is some sort of upward support here, some sort of uptrend on the weekly chart, but just zooming in a little bit closer, we know that, long term, we're very bullish in crypto. But for right now, short term, we're seeing, a lot of uncertainty and a lot of consolidation. Markets are extremely overextended, trading at 85 on the relative strength indicator. We don't have that much more room to head even higher. Last time we retested 85, that was it. We didn't actually head even higher to 90 or 100. We literally got capped at 85 and started to reverse downwards, and that's exactly what happened here. And then the second time up here, which immediately corrected to the downside. So I'm looking for another small dip in price, at least just to get us back down to either retest the overbought line or back down to 50, which would be great, ideally. But there's a chance we could see maybe consolidation pull us back down to maybe $1 and then start to bounce off that. That would be ideal. And the reason I'm still sticking with this whole consolidation bearish thing is just how overbought most of these alts are. And you can see that we are seeing a massive amount of sideways consolidation. Now, I just want to jump with from XRP to Solana before I do Ethereum and Bitcoin, even though I think those are the most important. Reason being, XRP and Solana almost look identical, or they're very similar in the way they've been, trending. As for Solana, it's a very new alt that's been up on the Bitfinex exchange, but you can see there was some sort of descending triangle here with multiple, points of resistance that eventually got broken in the last one, and we exploded up, and there was a clear neckline bottom support right here that we had a hard time breaking through, which is great. And then the second we saw confirmation of a closure above the trend line, it was a immediate break to the upside. You can also see there's that small, double bottom that pretty much happened on every cryptocurrency before the immediate explosion. And then we can clearly see we, broke above resistance here, which is insane and incredible, and we exploded to the upside. Now we're trading at about 83 on the relative strength indicator. Overbought, but understand where we broke out from right here. We're trading at the overbought level and then shut up into extreme overbought. Now understand, what I'm looking for is to see this very same thing happen within Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, and I want to explain why. So look at Solana, and this is why I'm not too worried. I mean, XRP is still consolidating. There's a chance it could pump higher if we see Bitcoin and Ethereum decide to do so, but for right now, my focus is off of Solana and XRP because of how overbought they are. And my focus is on Ethereum and Bitcoin because they haven't caught up yet. So if we see an explosion within Bitcoin, it should be at a higher percentage gain than XRP and Solana. So what I want to show you guys is obviously capitalizing off the run that's going to happen on Bitcoin or an end Ethereum. So I have Bityard pulled up. Hopefully you guys know what Bityard is. Basically, it is the website that we use to leverage trade cryptocurrency. I've linked them in the description down below. Highly recommend you check them out. But we've been using Bityard to basically leverage trade, buy long, sell short, spot trade, everything you could possibly think of in cryptocurrency on this platform. They have it all, very beginner friendly. We also like to practice on the demo account, which is a demo simulator. And the fact is that we have, tons of altcoins to trade around with, not only on here, but you can see on the innovative area too, we have tons of altcoins to trade with. But really the main focus right now is, you can see for Bitcoin, there is a clear sideways resistance level that I'd like to draw for you guys here on the chart. You can see it's pretty much capped right here. This to me is resistance. I don't know how else to describe that. You could clearly see that's a problem zone for the coin. Just sideways resistance. I'd like to draw it out where it actually looks a little bit better. Horizontal line. Here we go, much better. You can see that this is the trend. You can also see that there is some sort of downtrend here on the coin. 1, 2, 3 confirmations. For the most part, that's pretty much what my general understanding is here. And you can see these lower high formations. We finally caught back up to retest resistance. Basically, not only on Bitcoin, but on the TradingView charts, you can see if this price on Bitcoin gets broken, this resistance level gets capped, and we break through this resistance level, there's a big chance for a big volume spike to the upside. So things are kind of riding on what exactly we want to do today or tomorrow. I said that yesterday, and we literally just had consolidation. But what we're waiting for is a breach above the trend line, above the resistance, and that would pretty much decide and confirm which direction we're going to be setting our trades up at. So if we break through the top resistance right here, which would be, so just so you can see the bigger chart, about 40, I would say conservatively, 48,500. So if we see a break above 48.5, that's when we'll buy in. And it's easy to do. Not only do you have the market, but we have a limit. So we can set we have a 15 times limit order. And if we do, what did we say? Bitcoin was 48.5. So if the price shoots above 48,500, we'll buy in with leverage, and you can do it just like this. So setting the price to buy in with my leverage trade at 48,500, I can put 1,000 in. I could put even more. We're leveraging this by 15 times, so it's actually trading around with 15 times 1,000 of leverage on margin. So that's about 15K we're trading around with, and you can see it's just clicking buy. So we know that when prices hit 48.5, we'll go in for a buy, and we'll capitalize off the run. Now you could use limit or you can use market. It doesn't matter to me. The reason I would say wait and use market is because it makes you more aware of when to buy in. Because if prices of Bitcoin, retest 45K today, 48,500 today, and then correct below here, and we close the daily below here, you would have bought in and are now losing money. That's a problem. That's why I like to do market, because you can actually, you have to be there livingly and live to put the trade in and then, you know, see if you have closed there. So it's a little more helpful to me than, you know, other things, but whatever. More importantly, what we're looking at now is if we close below here, which it seems like we're still doing, so we have to definitely give it some time now. But I would say if prices start to dip and you see Bitcoin at $45,000, that would be, I mean, you can even do it higher, but 45,000 works too. If we see Bitcoin at 45K, which would look like the support level right here would be broken, and that's really what we're waiting for, is to see, is this trend line, this uptrend on the 10-day moving average, if it gets broken and we see the price kind of fumble here, that's when we'll buy in and short the market. So same leverage trade we have set up, we just click sell short, and we'll capitalize on the run probably down to like 37K to 30K. So it's riding everything on this, you know, on this little intersection right here. So we're looking for Bitcoin to make up its mind. Is it going to close above or below? Because regardless of which way it closes, there's going to be a massive amount of buying and selling pressure behind it, which means there will be a ton of volume to capitalize on. So whether we break through, it doesn't matter. So even if you missed out on like a couple hours or a day, you'll have the following day to buy into this massive volume spike. Same thing to the downside to 30K. Even if we did close below like 45K, you'll have plenty of time to buy in to short it down to 30. Same thing applies itself with Ethereum. It's the same exact thing that I'm talking about. We have a beautiful uptrend. If prices are closing below like 3 grand, I'd say it's a short. And if prices are capped above 33, you know, if we close and see Ethereum close at $3,500, that's enough reason to buy in. I mean, we can even set it, you know, extend it lower. Maybe 3,400. We close the daily above 3,400. Straight to the upside. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button. Make sure to comment your favorite altcoin down below to enter the giveaway. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.